Hello. Well, what we're talking about today is we're going to talk about left and right outer joins. And I had this thing planned where I was going to share my screen and you got to see me poke around a little bit and try to explain this, but I went low tech because, sometimes it's nice to have a retro feel. So the idea behind a left outer join and a right outer join is that if you have two tables, one on the left, right, here's my left, here's my right, okay, when I join them together by their common elements, if it's a left outer join, what happens is all the information from the left side is brought into the new table, but only the information from the right side that matches is brought in. So for instance, if they're using ID, you've got teachers over here, classes over here, okay? So if they're using the ID, and it's a left outermost join with teachers and classes, all the teachers from the left-hand side will be included, and only the classes from the right-hand side that match will be included. And if it's a right outer join, that means all the fields or classes from the right-hand side are included, and only the teachers from the left-hand side where the ID matches. And what I did was, rather than wave at you, so you've got the teacher ID, you've got two fields. Over here, I've got teacher and ID. Over here, I got ID and class, okay? And then we're going to join them together. The first join we're going to do is a left outer join. So I'm going to bring that up. Yeah, this is low tech, but I like it. A left is all teachers, but only class where IDs match, right? Because the teachers are on the left-hand side, because I'm looking at it a little backwards. Right? And if it's a right outermost join, then all classes, but only the teachers where the IDs match. Right? So yeah. I hope that helps you kind of gauge what's going on in reference to the left outermost and the right outermost join. It simply refers to the position the tables are in, and whatever is on the side of the join is everything, and whatever's on the opposite side is what matches. Yeah. So let me know if that makes sense or you have further questions in my low tech, but it was kind of fun to do. Thank you for your time.